It's me, Frederic.
He actually makes a really good salmon.
I will make sure you are very satisfied with dinner tonight, madame.
I'm sure I will be. You rang?
I did. Secret ingredient. Skin side down, plop it on in there.
You're not scared to get a little messy. Okay. Ooh.
A little bit of lemon on top.
Go make this for your woman tonight. She will love you forever.
She will love you.
She might even marry you. Hey everybody, Chef Nadia here, and today we'll be making some salmon. So remember when I told you I'm actually not the chef of the house. So we're inviting Frederic to cook. Frederic?
Yes, it's me, Frederic.
He actually makes a really good salmon, and he also has some broccoli and rice. So we're gonna let him do his thing, and I'm gonna critique him, of course.
I will make sure you are very satisfied with dinner tonight, madame.
I'm sure I will be.
I know you will. Guaranteed.
Satisfaction guaranteed, you guys. Let's see.
Okay, so first thing, with the salmon, we get the wild. It's sustainable, better. If you think about the farm salmon, they're just sitting there eating poop all day, okay? It ain't good. These guys out in the wild. All right, so that's the first thing.
Okay, it's the same thing that the bears eat.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's very true.
Polar bears eat this, so that's why we eat it.
I love that. And then, I already washed this broccoli. You know, you go get a little head of broccoli. We'll chop that up in a minute. Got some lemon. Cut that in half. We're gonna make sure that this salmon's got some lemon on it. Put some butter in the pan.
How about you show me instead of telling me?
All right, enough talking. Let's get to work.
Okay.
Step one, you just take these little guys off.
I don't like, what do you call those, the bodies of them?
The stem?
The stem.
Yeah, nobody really cares.
I just like the head. Well, that's what he said though.
That's what anyone says. You want me to put you to work? You can do this? You like watching me cut?
I mean, I could go get some wine.
I think that sounds like a good plan.
Okay, Frederic. You rang?
I did. So the next step, we're gonna get this in some water. Luckily, I already got some water over here. We just need to go turn the stove on. So we're gonna go do that.
So what temperature do you put it on?
You just want to start boiling. So let's get it hot, probably medium.
Boiling hot.
That's right.
I just have it boiling hot. Now, I know how to make many things in the house, but I've taught him so much. He's mastered all my recipes, and this is his own little recipe that he does.
I'm pretty good at this one too.
And by own, I mean, I don't do it. I can't make salmon as good as him. I'm starving. One thing I don't like is getting broccoli from a restaurant when it's still hard. I know some people like that, but I like to be able to chew through it, but not totally dissolve in my mouth, of course.
We wash the rice, chop that up. I'll have to get the salmon in a minute, but what we really want to do is get this rice going because it's going to take longer. So I'm going to throw the rice in there and put some water in.
Okay, so what do we have here?
All right, so we got our broccoli washed, we got our salmon ready to go, and the lemon. The water is boiling, so I'm going to throw the broccoli in.
Okay.
Good to go. Turn that up a little bit. Keep an eye on our rice. There we go. You don't want that getting too crazy on you.
Don't blow fire in your kitchen though.
Probably not do that all the time. So with the lemon, I learned how to just cut it in half. And then we got one of these cool thingers here.
It's just gonna squirt everywhere.
Actually, we're just gonna do it like that.
Okay, so squirt that lemon on the salmon.
I know, we gotta get this big old pan. Turn on the fire.
It's about to get dangerous.
Medium is always a good place to start, right?
Okay.
I forgot to mention my secret ingredient that my lovely wife introduced me to. The pineapple teriyaki. I usually don't put it in right away because it can kind of darken and brown up and stuff too much. It'll get like you know, burnt. But you put it in and it adds a lot of flavors. So you don't need much seasoning except for this thing.
Then if you make these for your wife or your girlfriend, she will love you.
She will love you. That's
She will love you. How much butter are you putting in there?
A slice.
A slice
Enough.
of butter.
Maybe a little bit more than that. I also have no smell or taste, so you could judge that however you wish. I make food that I think my wife likes, so that's all I really care about.
I love fish. I love
You do.
fish.
Let that melt down a bit. Let's check on the broccoli. See how that's going. Usually you can tell by you can just, you know, you poke it and tender.
Stab right through it. If
Yeah,
you stab
it's
right
good.
through it, it's good.
Broccoli's done. Let's drain that bad boy. Another trick I learned is that hot metal looks the same as cold metal, so you gotta check. Go say something nice to the camera while I'm doing this.
Hello. Something nice. I heard that broccoli is actually not like a natural vegetable. It's like cloned between some other kind of things. So I wonder if it's still considered genetically modified, right?
It is, definitely.
Yeah.
The humans bred it for sure. All right, next step. Salmon.
Yum. Ooh, so you put it skin side down?
Yes.
Okay.
Skin side down, plop it on in there. She's good to go. I will take,
Your fish is a she?
yeah, everything, you know, everything's a she. She's,
I mean, okay.
okay, we take this lemon.
Squeeze it. Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah, it might be a little messy. You just get it on in there,
Ooh, God.
juicing all over the place.
You're not scared to get a little messy.
No, you gotta cook.
So you
Here's
don't put no
another,
seasoning on it?
not yet.
Just
Here's
lemon,
another
huh?
cool trick. You get a little grater,
Uh-huh.
and you get the lemon,
And just zest it, huh?
you zest it a bit.
Okay. I haven't done that.
Usually you finish it this way, but since we're doing a YouTube video, you might as well.
Okay. This is how he made me fall in love with him. He just kept feeding me. And that's why I'm in the 175 and up club right now.
She's thick.
But it all goes to my belly and elsewhere.
All right, we're good on that.
Okay. It's looking good.
Starting to look good.
Looks like you need seasoning though, but I mean, I trust the process because it's always
No, I think we
good.
should. I think we should add a little bit on there.
Ooh, juicing.
You start like that. Make sure it's all coated and good. All right. Let that cook for a second.
Okay, looks good.
How's the rice looking, huh?
It's looking good.
You want to try a little bit?
No?
I can try it.
Okay.
It's done.
It's done?
Yep. Turn that off. Again, hot metal looks just like cold metal.
Yeah, I touched it. It wasn't hot.
Got to make sure. Now we're just waiting on the salmon.
Okay. I'm hungry. So do you flip it over at all or you just let it
I
sit
absolutely will flip it, yeah.
there? How long do you let it sit there on that side?
It's a visual thing. You can see the dark pink starts to turn to light pink on the side,
Okay.
and that's how you know it's starting to cook through. And then at a certain point, you'll kind of lift it up too, and you can see it browning.
Okay.
You don't want it to get, burnt or anything.
Okay, okay.
So we got these little spatulas. Let's give it a check right now. Let's see what's going on. How you looking, buddy? Not yet. Not ready for a flip.
Okay.
Check. See if this is ready for a flip now.
Nice. It's looking good.
I think it's ready for a flip. We're gonna flip it.
Okay. Ooh.
There, look at that brown right there. Look at that, look at that.
I guess you can tell because it's pretty stiff now versus as floppy as it was before
Definitely.
we first started. Ooh.
This is also a pretty cool move too. You can kind of scoop this up.
Good.
Put some more on there.
So how much you use is kind of dependent on how big the salmon is.
I'd say I use about a half of a jar every time I cook it.
Okay. So how is this with your Crohn's disease? Does it affect you in any way? Pretty okay?
Yeah, fish is good, as long as it's not red meat. All right, well, let's plate this food.
Okay.
The last step here, get this salmon, flip it one more time, double check it. This stuff gets kind of brown on me. I think we're done.
Okay.
And we take the salmon.
It smells really good.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
I hope so. I hope it tastes good too.
I hope so too.
There we go, look at that, look at that
It's
little
too
plate.
late to order takeout.
It probably is too late. We go to Jack in the Box, you know, you
Oh
never...
no.
They open 24 hours, right?
Jack in the Box ain't got salmon.
No, they don't.
Ooh, messy, messy. Okay.
Dinner is finished.
It looks
The
delicious.
final step,
Okay.
a little bit of lemon on top.
A little bit, that's a lot of it.
It's a lot of it, but you love it.
Do you want me to test it first?
Sure.
Okay. With a chunky piece.
Might not be the prettiest thing in the whole world.
It actually is. Gimme. It's real good. I was a little worried because you didn't put seasoning on it, but it's good. Go make this for your woman tonight. She will love you forever.
She will love you.
She might even marry you.
You might be stuck with her for the rest of your life.
But that's a good thing, right?
It's absolutely, you're stuck with me, actually.
It's a good thing. Okay, tune in for our next video. Who knows where we'll be? Maybe we'll be cooking, maybe we'll be hiking. You never know.
Maybe all across the world. Maybe we'll be in Florida.
Tune in. All right, we'll see you guys next time.